Are you sitting on a pile of home equity and wondering how to turn it into real cash? In this video, we'll break down the best home equity loan lenders in the USA so you can borrow smart and build your future. Whether you're planning a renovation, consolidating debt, or funding a big milestone, choosing the right lender makes all the difference. Let's dive into the top lenders offering the best rates, terms, and flexibility, starting with one of the most recognized names in lending. Rocket Mortgage tops our list for those who want to borrow big and do it fast. If you have strong credit, Rocket lets you access up to 90% of your home equity, higher than most lenders offer. They shine in the online experience department with a slick platform that makes applying and managing your loan seamless. Borrow anywhere from $45,000 up to $500,000 with fixed terms of 10 or 20 years. But here's the trade-off: no physical branches, a high minimum loan amount, and limited flexibility in terms. If you're borrowing smaller or want in-person support, Rocket might not be the best fit. That said, for digital-first borrowers with solid credit and big goals, Rocket is one of the best in the business. For more information, click on the link in the description below. Next up is Navy Federal, and if you're in the military community, this one's a game changer. Navy Federal lets qualified members borrow up to 100% of their home equity. Seriously, that's unheard of with most banks. You can borrow as little as $10,000 or as much as $500,000, and they'll even cover your closing costs. Now the catch? You need to be an active duty member, veteran, or an eligible family member to qualify. And some borrowers have reported issues with service consistency and interest rate transparency during the application process. Still, for military families, this is a standout option offering great value and generous lending terms. If scoring the absolute lowest rate is your priority, Third Federal deserves your attention. They guarantee the lowest home equity loan rate, or they'll beat a competitor's deal or give you $1,000. That's confidence. They offer both fixed and adjustable rate loans and even allow you to use a vacation home as collateral. No closing fees on HELOCs and a strong track record of competitive APRs are a major plus. The downside? They're not available nationwide, only in about half the U.S., and they don't offer government-backed loans like VA or FHA. Still, if you're in their service area, Third Federal could save you thousands over the life of your loan. For more information, click on the link in the description below. Discover stands out for fee-conscious borrowers. There are no application, origination, appraisal, or closing fees, and that's rare. They'll let you borrow up to 90% of your home's value, and you can choose from several term lengths. Borrowing starts at $35,000, so it's not ideal for smaller needs. It's worth noting that while many praise Discover's rates and straightforward digital process, others have experienced hiccups with documentation and support. It's not perfect, but if saving on fees is key, Discover is a strong contender. Good news for those with fair credit. TD Bank welcomes borrowers with FICO scores as low as 660, making it more accessible than most. You can borrow anywhere from $10,000 to $500,000, with terms up to 30 years. And they have plenty of branches for those who prefer in-person assistance. The downside? It's only available in 15 states, and you'll want to keep an eye on potential one-time and annual fees. Still, if your credit is on the edge and you're looking for flexible loan amounts, TD Bank might be your best shot. Flagstar brings something special to the table. If you're already a customer, you can shave 25% off your rate by setting up autopay. They offer loans from $10,000 to a whopping $1 million with no closing costs or prepayment penalties. That's a big win for high net worth borrowers or anyone looking for a seamless lending experience. But here's what to watch out for. They require at least 20% equity in your home, which is more than most lenders. If you haven't built up that much, you might need to look elsewhere. For established homeowners, though, Flagstar offers excellent value and flexibility, especially if you already bank with them. So, which lender is right for you? If you're all about maximum borrowing power and great tech, Rocket is hard to beat. Military or veteran? Navy Federal is a top-tier choice with unmatched benefits. Chasing the lowest rates? Third Federal is all about rate guarantees. Hate fees? Discover has your back. Credit score under 680? Check out TD Bank. And for loyal customers or big loan seekers, Flagstar delivers impressive discounts and flexibility. Choosing the right home equity loan lender can literally save or cost you thousands. It all comes down to what matters most to you. Low rates? Big loan amounts? Fewer fees? Make sure the lender aligns with your goals and always read the fine print. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment, and for more information, click on the link in description below and let me know which lender you're leaning toward. If this video helped you understand your options, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a smart money move. And if you want more info on mortgages, personal loans, or home refinancing, check out our other videos right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.